Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily reduce your video file size so you can easily share it online or with your friends. If you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, to get this done, simply open any of your browser and then go to this website called Veed.io. Once you get in here, all you have to do is just sign up and then choose the free plan. Once you choose the free plan, it's going to open up the editing studio. If it doesn't open up the editing studio, all you have to do is just click on create and then click on new project. Now, once it's done loading up, you will have to upload that video file that you want to compress. So let's quickly get that done. So once I click on upload, it's going to open your file manager. Now you have to locate the original video that you want to compress. So as you can see, this original video is actually 77 megabytes. So I'm going to import this video. Now if you look above, you are going to see that it's actually uploading. So all you have to do is just wait for it to finish uploading so you can actually compress your video file. Now once it's done uploading, you just have to click on done. You can see done at the top, so click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to see different type of quality. So let me click on the drop down button. You can see the low quality, standard quality, HD quality, 4K quality. So for this video, since we're trying to compress the file size, we're going to be going for standard quality. So once you click on standard quality, what you have to do now is just click on export video. So now as you can see, it is actually done compressing this video. So all we have to do now is just click on the download icon. You can see it over here. So click on download. So once you click on download, you are going to see this MP4 720p. So click on it. Once you click on that, it's going to start downloading the compressed version of the video. Now, as you guys can see, it is actually done downloading. So if you look at the download file, you see that this download file is actually 38 MB. So if we are to go back to look at the original file, you see that the original file is actually 77 MB. So you can see that this actually works. So if you are ever in any situation where you need to compress a video file, this is the best way for you to actually get that done. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.